Hi, I'm Roslyn. I created an operation HR workflow and I'll be showing you how I carried out my operation. So here, this is the operation. We have a space. This is a space I created. Inside the space houses a folder. That folder called the HR operation folder. In the HR operation folder, we have the list. We have two lists, the role allocation list and the talent hub. In the role allocation list or the role planning, this is where we plan out how we want our employee to give us their informations or data. So here we have the priority, we have the work pattern, what kind of work pattern do they want to work? Is it on site? Is it remote? Is it part-time? We get all those informations here. Who are we assigning the task to? And this is the due date. We also here we also have copied out their job links. We provide the salary range, but we already have our range, so we provide the salary range for the employee to choose which salary range they want to work with. Then also the different departments at which they are going to be working with. So this role planning section help us to plan out all what we want to capture in this phase. So once we do that, we use our automation here. We created an automation. These are a few automation we created to move these roles or those that are qualified into our talent hub. So in our talent hub, we now have both the candidates or the employees full name, their first name, their phone numbers. We also capture also the role they applied for as IT support, web design. We also capture where are they applying from, the location, and also when can they be hired. And also we also capture where did they hear about this opening, the department they are applying to, the link. So we try to capture everything about the employee, the email of the employee, so that it will help us know if they are good fit for this role. So after that, those that are good fit, we now transfer them into our onboarding. This is another folder which houses the talent onboarding and the offboarding process. In the onboarding has two lists. The first list is the talent onboarding. So from here now, those that fit into the role, we onboard them into the next list. Like here from the offer extended, when we offer them an offer letter and they accept the offer letter, we now transfer them into the onboarding list from our status. So here we take them into our talent onboarding. In our talent onboarding, which is here, we now have the informations of those we are onboarding into our database. So after we've captured those for onboarding process, we now set an automation that will help us to, if those we don't need for the onboarding process, we send them to our offboarding process. So we arrange it in a way that we know those that are due for onboarding and those that we don't need for onboarding, we will take them to the offboarding process. So in the employee database, we create employee database there where we track clean informations and clean data of the employee without checklist, subtasks or any tax involved, just strictly their clean data for future reference. Thank you. Please note, all the informations here are not real data. These are not my client work. They are just demo workflow I did, and I can't share my client work with anybody for confidentiality. Thank you.